Hey everybody, this is Aliza from Zafre, and today we're going to be talking about modes that have been recently added to webflow. These modes are going to allow you to work with your variables in a unique way that you wouldn't be able to do so before. So here's how they work. Basically, you're going to be able to use modes to style your website without having to create a bunch of different variables for the same thing. So for example, right here, we have our website right here, and it's not responsive at all. Our highland text isn't changing size. The reason for this is because it's using a variable of size, font size 13 rem, and we can here create a new mode for tablet and say I want this tablet mode to be applied automatically on tablet screen sizes. And then when we create that, we're going to be able to do another one for mobile sizes as well. And then after that, we're going to be able to change the variable's value depending on which screen our client is using. So for example, on tablet, it's going to be 9 rem instead of 13, and then 6.5 and so on. And as you can see, it's shrinking and using the new values instead of the old one, depending on the screen size. Another use case for this is to create different themes, for example, a winter theme or a light or dark theme for your website. We can just use the manual one here and then change our values for light and dark. And then we can just come over here under the variable modes tab and then click on colors and then click on the one we want. And now it's going to be using those values instead. This is really useful for when you want to change the theme of your website for a certain season, or whenever a user clicks on a button to change its theme. Next up, we have this brand new feature that's been added to webflow under the Insights tab. So it's an add-on that you have to pay for, but it basically allows you to check for different versions of your website on clients and see which one works better. So for example, I can here try using the try for free button or buy now text inside of the button and see how my clients respond to the button and how many of them click on it and how many of them don't. And I can even choose, for example, what percentage of my viewers are going to see which one. Here we can see, manually choose, like if you want 30% of them to see one of them and then 70% of them to see the other one. And you can also use this for changing hero images and other things, basically to see how people react and respond to different versions of your website and which one is the most optimal one. So that's it for today's video, and thank you for watching.